Let's learn this song by William Joseph Cook. It's called We Met on the Internet. I think he's playing it here, but I'm not going to guarantee that. But I think it's being played here. But it could be being played at the 10th fret as well. On the G. But I think he's playing it up here on an acoustic guitar. So what's going on here? All right, we got the G power chord, which is your low E, your A string, and your D. Low E's on the 3rd fret, and you got your A and D on the 5th fret. Now you could play it with your pinky like this, but I prefer to play it just with my ring finger flattened, but a lot of people play it like this. So anyways, you go once on the G, 1, 2, 3, and then back to the A. That's the first part. And the second part is on the A string. You pick the C note, which is your 3rd fret on the A string. And then you hammer onto the 5th. Then you come down to the D string and back to the A. All right, and just gotta make sure you get your fingers in position to come back to the G immediately. So when you hammer on, keep this finger flat. You hammer on to both, or hammer on with both fingers, but I would say hammer on with this and keep both fingers flat, so you can fret the D string at the 5th fret as well. That's the second part. And then it just goes up to a little bit of an E, like maybe 4 hits on the E. And it's in the chord, in the verse. So we're just doing E power chord, F sharp for 1 beat, and then back to the G. And he's doing a little more palm muting than I'm doing. I'm just trying to make the notes clear, but he's muting it with his right hand. And then so anyways, like it's like a chorus or a bridge, I'm not sure, but it's like time to relax, just hanging on the G, but we're both kind of lightweights. So then it goes to the A. You can play the A at the 5th fret and the 7th fret on the low E and A strings, or you could go to the open A. Whichever is easier for you. Singing about the river being bigger than everything. All right, that's Will Joseph Cook. We Met on the Internet. I'm not guaranteeing that this is how he plays it, but I think it is. But I've never seen him perform it, so I don't know. All right, thanks for watching. Bye.